The best way to cook a tamale is to steam a tamale. In a pressure steamer from frozen, 20 minutes. No steamer, no problem. Take a frozen tamale, wrap it in a damp paper towel, and microwave for about 4 minutes. Ooh, don't like those microwaves bouncing around your food? Well, traditionally, tamales are cooked on a stovetop, in some sort of steaming vessel. You can improvise this vessel. Cooking tamales this way take about 40 to 60 minutes, and once cooked, they'll keep for hours and hours on a steam table or a holding unit. Enjoy Del Pasado Tamales today.